Hi teachers and welcome back to Teacher Zai. For today's episode, discuss na natin ang Classpoint AI in Education. So this time, step-by-step guide na kung paano maglalagay ng questionnaire using AI inside our PowerPoint slides. So we are going to use Classpoint. We are going to generate questions from our PowerPoint slides in just a seconds. So, Classpoint AI carefully detects your native PowerPoint text and generate question from it. So, definitely, ang ating Classpoint can identify kung ano yung ginagamit nating mga words dito sa ating PowerPoint. Pwede itong English or pwede ring Filipino. So, with its advanced technology, it can generate questions aligned with Bloom's taxonomy using Classpoint's own diverse question types such as multiple choice, short answers, and fill in the blanks. So here in our toolbar, makita po natin yung AI na icon or the AI quiz. So dito po sa ating AI quiz, ito yung makakatulong sa atin to formulate questions. At si mismo Classpoint na po ang gagawa ng questions for us. So, step 1 is I read your slide. So, si Classpoint na po yung mismo magbabasa ng ating slide. So, I'll show you later. Then, step 2 is it generates the question. See how the magic works later. And of course, for our step 3 is for us to have an option. Okay, gagamitin na ba natin yung question or to generate another question? So, for now, let's generate a questions using Classpoint AI. Okay, so ang kinaganda kasi sa Classpoint, hindi na tayo kailangan lumabas pa sa ating PowerPoint slides to have an AI features. Diba? So, simulan po natin siya. We have here a sample lecture about 5 rules about subject-verb agreement. So here, meron po tayong AI quiz na logo. Click lang po natin yan. At dito po, makikita na natin. Ayan, binabati na tayo ni Classpoint AI. So I can read your current slide and create some quiz questions with answers provided. So we can now generate a question or click the options. So, dito sa option, meron tayong iba't ibang question type. Gusto nyo ba na yung question ay multiple choice? Gusto nyo ay fill in the blanks? Or short answer? So, for now, ang gawin muna natin ay ang ating multiple choice. Madalas kasi ito yung ginagamit natin for our test. Okay po? So, pwede ring remembering or understanding. Depende po kung anong level po yung gusto nyo under Bloom's taxonomy. So, dahil English po ang ating lecture, let's choose English language. Alright? So, pag okay na po yan, pwede na po natin i-click dito sa gilid at generate question. Okay? So, let's wait for more. Ayan, di ba? Parang 2 seconds lang, meron agad. So, what are presentations used for? Or what is the topic all about? Kung ayaw nyo po itong question na to, you can generate another question. Alright, so here, what are the 5 rules about subject-verb agreement? Alright, kung hindi nyo pa rin gusto, generate another. So, which subjects joined by the word and are generally plural. Alright? So, let's check the answer. Plural subjects. Okay? So, pwede po natin siyang i-save as a slide. At i-close po muna natin to. O, diba? Ang kinaganda po kasi dito, automatic na merong multiple choice na function ni Classpoint at meron na ring answer. Diba? Ang usual na ginagawa po natin, nagke-create tayo ng panibagong slides to show our student what is the answer. But here, meron na po siyang instant answer button to show what is the correct answer. Okay, so next naman, try naman natin siya into a Filipino question. So, let's have an AI quiz. Palitan po natin ng option. This time, try natin naman ang fill in the blanks. Ang gawin naman natin ay apply. Diba? Apply and analyze. But this time, Filipino po ang ating language. So, click natin sa side, then let's generate the question. Or let's AI generate the question instead of us. Ayan, so may sample question na po tayo dito. So, kung gusto nyo pa ng panibagong question, generate po uli. Ayan, anong wika ang naka-impluwensya sa pagbuo ng Tagalog? Okay, pwede natin i-check yung answer at tignan natin kung ano ang ibibigay ni answer ni Classpoint. Okay, so pwede na po natin i-save as a slide. At kung gusto nyo pong mag-generate pa ng isa pang question, try natin. Ano ang natatanging sistema ng pandiwa ng Tagalog? Alright? So, save as slide uli. Ayan, check natin. Diba? Nakailang question tayo. Naka-dalawa na. So, just click the answer. At meron na siya agad na fill in the blanks. Another, may question po tayo dito. So, ayan po yung ating mga questions. Pwede siyang in English. Pwede rin po siya in Filipino. Kung mapapansin nyo, napakadali ng pag-create po natin ng mga questions using Classpoint. And we have 3 options. We can have our multiple choice, fill in the blanks, and short answers. So whatever type of question you need, pwede po siya dito kay Classpoint. At ang kinaganda pa dito is whatever level in Bloom's taxonomy can be created using our Classpoint AI. In over 30 languages, pwede po siyang gamitin. So, that will be all for our Classpoint AI in education. If you are interested to download the Classpoint, ilalagay ko po sa comment section ang link para ma-download nyo po. Muli, my name is Teacher Zai and thank you for watching.